Joining elastomeric insulation has never been easier thanks to Aeroflex USA Cel-Link II technology. Combined with Aerocel Stay Seal with ProTape, Cel-Link II utilizes a unique two-part sealing system to ensure a permanent seal on the butt joints of EPDM elastomeric tubing insulation. To install, start by removing the Cel-Link II envelope from the carton. It can be located by finding the flap of the envelope on the outside of the carton. Inside the envelope, you'll find a tape squeegee and a single stack of Cel-Link II, sized correctly for the internal diameter and wall thickness of the Aerocel SSPT in the carton. The Cel-Link II stack will be mounted on a thin, non-adhesive disc that will allow you to hold the stack in your hand or conveniently keep it in your pocket. To complete the installation properly, you'll need a tape measure, a knife, a pair of scissors, a tape applicator tool or tape squeegee, a sharpening stone, and appropriate safety equipment. Aeroflex USA ProTape is a requirement of this unique closure system and is extremely important for proper performance. Be sure to use a minimum of 2-inch wide tape. To start, apply a properly sized section of Aerocel SSPT insulation to the pipe. Next, remove a Cel-Link II from the stack. It should come off just like a sticky note. Open the factory-made split on the Cel-Link II and then slip it over the piping. Using the pipe as a guide, properly align the Cel-Link II with the insulation, and then press the exposed adhesive side of the Cel-Link II to the installed insulation. Each Cel-Link II is designed to work with 2 thicknesses of Aerocel SSPT. When using Cel-Link II with a thinner wall, it's normal to have some excessive adhesive around the outside diameter of the insulation sections. Just fold the excess onto the outside diameter of the pipe insulation before continuing. Install your next section of SSPT insulation over the pipe. Next, remove the gold release liner from the exposed side of the Cel-Link II, and then press the insulation against the Cel-Link II with sufficient pressure to make a bond between the Cel-Link II and both sections of pipe insulation. The insulation should be installed with a slight amount of compression at each joint to ensure a proper seal. Release the insulation and allow it to relax before installing Aeroflex USA ProTape over the seam. To install the ProTape, determine the total outside diameter of the pipe insulation being applied, and then measure and cut a strip of ProTape to length. Add a minimum of 2 inches to ensure the required amount of overlap. Apply the strip of ProTape around the circumferential butt seam on the top of the Cel-Link II. The tape should be placed so that the width is evenly divided across both sides of the butt joint. Repeat this process as needed to finish your installation. Avoid callbacks and get jobs done faster with Cel-Link II technology from Aeroflex USA.